Namaskar and welcome once again. All MI TV customers are facing an issue with Miracast. That is, they are unable to cast their Windows screen on MI TV. Here you can see I am trying to cast my Windows 10 PC on MI TV. It's taking longer than usual, and this may happen with any TV. Let's skip it. Here it confirms that it couldn't connect. One thing I discussed in previous video related to MI TV that it can't cast a screen from Windows PC, and MI suggested to use Android and iOS devices. Then what about Windows PC? So here is a solution for that. It works very fine, and after using this, no Miracast is required. This method is not only for MI TV but for all network enabled devices, even for your smartphone. And in real, there is no requirement of Miracast enabled devices. So let's make it happen. First of all, you need to install an app from Microsoft named RD Client. Links for the app are given into the descriptions, from where you can download it. On MI TV, you can sideload app or can install by methods I discussed in previous video. Here is a card on upper right corner of your screen for video, and link of which is also given into the descriptions. Before starting, make sure that computer and TV or your smart device all are connected on the same network. Now just open it. You can use keyboard and mouse. It will be good if you are using wireless keyboard and mouse, and there is no problem with wired keyboard and mouse also. Now click on plus sign and then desktop. It will start detecting desktop. After detecting, it will show the name of your PC. If it doesn't show, make sure that remote desktop feature is on in Windows. Now click on name of your PC. As I have already added, so it's showing this, and enter username and password of PC. Enter all detail and click connect. After a few moments, it shows your PC on your TV or smart device. Now you can see every function is working well as your PC. You can enjoy PC on big screen or on your smart device. Here are the options to move it if you don't like it on middle. Now if at the same time you want to use your TV, just press the home button on your remote control of the TV. RD Client app go to the background and you can use your TV like this. Now just select it. Now if you want to come back to this app again, just press the home key again and just press RD Client. So in this way you can back and forth this app, and you can use your TV as per your wish, as you like. You can watch the TV, you can use it as a computer at the same time. So friends, this was the method by which you can enjoy your Windows device on other smart devices. If you like this video, please click on a like button and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.